Hi everyone, welcome back, and in case you haven't noticed, we are on the boat. It's a Wednesday night, about 6:30 at night, and we are going for a night sail. So it is absolutely pitch black outside, apart from obviously the edge lights. So we're going out, why not? It's the first day where there's been no wind. Basically it's been 40-mile-an-hour winds for the past 3 weeks, and all of a sudden now there's no wind, so we've come down and we're going out because it's the only day for like the next 2 weeks. So quick engine checks, Emma's going to get the covers off, we'll just get everything secure, and then we'll get ourselves out, and then we'll show you what a night sail on the Humber's like. So yeah, be back shortly. So here we are in the lock at night, Ben being crew for us, Emma and then Ben's mate, and as you can see it's not exactly bright and sunny, so we don't know how long we're going to get out here, and yeah, how long we're going to go, but we're going to head out and we'll see. So we'll be back shortly once we're through the lock, and yeah, I'll show you what it's like on the Humber at night. See you in a bit. And there you go, we are now out of the marina, and this is what you get to see. So this is the Salt End and then Hull and then Medine this side. Yeah, and then that side we've got New Holland and everything in the distance you can just see, and out the back. And yeah, this is literally what night sailing on the Humber is like. So yeah, we're just going to run down to Paul, which is, you won't be able to see my finger, but if you can, just kind of directly in front of us, and then we're going to spin it back round and go off to the bridge. So yeah, apart from that, this is night on the Humber, and as you can see it's absolutely pitch black, but what you can't see is that it's absolutely flat calm, perfectly still, and there's no wind. So yeah, we are on our way, and yeah, I'll see you all later. Bye bye. Right, so we're now up to speed, and if Ems moves ahead, you can see this is the wind turbine factory there, and yeah, this is the ferry terminal here, just straight in front of us. So yeah, and then we've got Salt End Chemical Works, and then Paul is the very rightmost light that you can probably see. So yeah. And you can see just how pitch black it is. That's Immingham over there. I've got my little tablet on, and yeah, and we're just away, hooting along. Right. Here we go. This, that you can't really see, I guess, is the Humber Bridge at night. Go a bit past it so you can start to see the lights coming on. There you go. That is the Humber Bridge, night time. All you get to see, just a strip of lights. I'm just going to spin us round now. So this is the camera just pointed out the front of the boat, and I'm only going really slow. There you go. The bridge. And as we come round, there is a big barge just here. This clump of lights here is a big barge that was heading towards the North Channel. We've just come in, but I can't see. It looks like maybe it's coming towards us now. Yeah, it's just here in front of us. So yeah, anyway, we're going to head back to the marina now, and we'll be back then for entering the marina at night. So see you shortly. And here we are back in the lock, all tied up, just waiting for him to cycle it, and then we're home. Maybe now an hour maybe, just ran down to kind of South End Pole area, then spun round up to the bridge and then spun round and came back. And that's it. So I'll see you all later. Take care, and catch you in the next one. Bye bye.